everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I've previously done some videos on flossing and water pick. Those are different ways to clean in between your teeth for different reasons. But I want to also talk about today Floss Threaders. For some of the people who have braces, they have bridges, and like those little fixed lingual retainers, the ones that are on the tongue side of your teeth, usually down in the front, or on the bottom or on the top. It's a little bit of a wire that helps to keep the teeth, helps to keep them straight and retained after orthodontic treatment is done. There are certain tools that you would use because you can't use regular string floss in those areas. You have to use something that's called a floss threader to help you get underneath it. So basically that's what a floss threader is. A floss threader is used under bridges, it's used under braces, under retainers and things like that, the little wired fixed retainers. It's threaded, hence the name Floss Threader. It's basically a way for the floss to access underneath some of those appliances to better be able to floss under there and get rid of all the plaque and bacteria in those areas. So there are two different types of floss threaders basically that are on the market. There's different ones under different brand names and things like that, but there are basically two specific types. There are floss threaders that are connected, and then those that are separate, I guess. So basically this is a floss threader that is separate, and so what you would do is, this is a separate little thread type thing, or a type needle type thing that you would thread the floss through, and this would be your floss threader. Okay, this is a separate type because in essence the threader is actually separate from the floss, and it's a 2-unit type thing that you would use in order to do what you need to do with it, okay, in order to floss. Second type is something along these lines. It is one that's already connected. There's different ones like, I don't know if you can see this, but anyway, this is the Oral-B Glide particular one, floss threader. There's also one that has like a little fuzzy piece of floss at the end, and then it has a rigid end to where you're able to floss. So basically I'm gonna open this up. This is the floss threader, the connected kind. Okay, so basically this is all floss here, just regular floss, and in this case it's Oral-B Glide floss, one of my favorites. And this is the rigid end. This is the threader that you would use to get underneath the area so that you can better floss, okay? So these are the two types of floss threaders. This is the one that's separate. You know, if you took it out of here, it would be just that. And then there's also the one that's already connected. So the separate and the connected, they all basically do the same types of things. Sometimes this can be a bit of a pain whenever you're flossing underneath quite a few areas at once, because it may come undone from the floss, but sometimes this gives you a little bit more of the stability that you need, whereas this one may wear out a little bit faster. And then this is also convenience. I mean, it's already connected together. You don't have to worry about it. Take it out of the package and just use it right away. And then you can also go on and floss the rest of your teeth with this part, okay? So anyway, those are the two types of floss threaders. So now that we've seen the two types of floss threaders, I want to actually go through and show you how to actually use these on, I guess, a tapadont, which is the set of teeth that I normally use in some of my tutorial videos. I've kind of rigged it up a little bit in order to include a set of braces on the front teeth, and then also a lingual retainer on the tongue side of the teeth, and also in order to kind of make a little bit of a 3-unit bridge or so on the side of the mouth, just so I can kind of show you all how to actually go in and navigate the floss threader in there. So this is a little bit kind of rigged, but I will definitely do my best to show you how to use it effectively in your mouth underneath some of your actual real appliances such as bridges, braces, and the lingual retainer. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how to use these floss threaders, then stay tuned. let's get into it. So today's something to smile about comes from 1 Peter 5:7, and it reads, "Cast all your anxieties on him because he cares for you." Now that's something to smile about. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope that the tutorials and explanation on how to use the floss threader and when a floss threader is actually necessary, I hope all of that information helps you out and that you're able to incorporate this into your oral hygiene regimen if necessary. So if you like this video and like to see more videos like this, please do not hesitate to hit the like button and then also subscribe to this channel so that you can see more videos like this. I really enjoy doing videos like this because I feel like it gives an additional resource to patients and also people who are interested in these topics online. If you're interested, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you're currently doing to clean your braces, what you're currently doing to clean underneath your lingual retainer, and also your bridges, okay? I'm interested in knowing whether you've been using these floss threaders, which type of floss threader you use, and why you find it more convenient than the other types and things like that. So I'm interested in knowing your thoughts. If you'll leave that in the comment down below, that'd be great. Also, if you have any suggestions of other topics that you'd like to see dental related, that would be great. If you'll leave that in the comment section down below, I'd be happy to look at some of those and start incorporating those into some of my videos. So that's all I have for today. So until next time, take care and remember to let your smile shine. Bye.